Hi friends, this is 5 Months YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can stop opening front camera while doing screen recording in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, I will show how it occurs. First, you are going screen recording. So I go to notification area and I click on screen recording and I start screen recording. While I start screen recording, front camera will open and front camera will be capturing face and it will be doing like a director view, and screen will also be recorded along with it. So if you really want to stop this circle, this is called director view, and it is opened through front camera. If you hide it, see here, there is a plank, and if you open it and my face is directed and they are also recorded in this screen recording. Okay, I stop it and I play the file. You can see this front camera angle also along with your screen. So if you want to stop opening this area, then you can do it. For that, first you go to the notification area and go to screen recording. Just long press on the screen recording icon, just long press it like this, and settings will be opened. Here you have to just turn off this button, record front camera video. Then now you will not have that option and you can freely record only screen. See here, I again go to notification area and I go to screen recording icon. Just click on it and click on the record button, and screen recording is going. Now that front angle is not opened, front camera is not opened, so that no front view is captured along with your screen. Only pure screen will be recorded here. In this way, you can easily stop opening front camera while doing screen recording in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. I finished the recording and I show it. In the result file, there is no such front angle. Yes, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.